skills for self-reliance.
Emagoroba eyiringia omwanchwa omoligereria karibu nande ekero charagire chinsa 10 ekerongo koletera ekeunga chinsa 10 koruga iga Agetembe TV muna abirika gukorekana koru chinsemo au ime amona isiko yeliro baria gusi ejumapili ya bene yechitariki 10 umutinyu mutangania somwa koyo igomuya karibu inkomanyonsi ayagendrete gukorekana nigo tukubwaterana nera Wilson Makoli kurugalia sensemo yebimanyererio na inche nigo nkuru kwa Ruth Kemonto ekeunga chinsa 10 nigo tuguchaka kurwa ase bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba ase skuru yabo gwendo PAG ase abaibuli na boigo aborokiwa na aborokia bagendrete kwemurunganeria amachibu yeskuru eyo ayo eskuru eyo yabete egekugwa kigima magega ayo mu waziri bw'ekisemi omusike Julius Migos Ogamba kurwa amachibu litukolia moisonde eskuru eyo nigo yabete gekonyora emin ya ibere nuguta kianda gose 2.9 ase abaibuli baganiri omorokyo monene bw'eskuru eyo anyareko bagakurusigwa alimorioka ase keribuna nigo atarabaka wikira nemirimo yaye oboikirano.
So far what I have observed is not encouraging. The school is on a very bad state. Very, very bad indeed. And considering that the school was founded in 1978, and at one time, the school comprised of 1,000 students. It's alleged that the principal is a big drunk, is an alcoholic, who came to this school just after rehabilitation. And even then, we expected that after rehabilitation, somebody can change. He didn't change. Even then, he is now worse. It's made the school appear like it is no longer a school.
Tarehe 24 January 2024 kalente vitabu gai kabisa ine 121,200 omwaka oyo kaera kurwa bwongocha na atebibwa abantu bali bakobeka jise yo aguchibese mbayo njikoboli ngai bakale ngabakarale mbuli bona kara bakarale munyaka ngachibese muna abantu moko ngepenatu none penatu turi gupimerwa watebwo kunyusa tumaragata turi tuko.
The secretary general sponsor, he wrote also letters complaining about the school to the regional, to Nyamira County, to sub-county. I brought them and I served them. And no action.
Na ndo abaye ndomo dageti asa okora maene bi ndomo dageti diagende school ga gore school eto ya chire inse bakabone ta eto kwera grade 10 inja korete ebera atwaro uwa bagocha asengenje bagure ngomwani mora ya tranga every time bafanye kazi school buna bagore gazi mbali kwakano.
As a sponsor simuhitaji kabisa, as the community muhitaji kabisa, aende nyumbani kwa usalama. Sisi watu wa vita, serikali tunaomba sub county yetu na county yetu fanya kazi yenu vile inavyohitajika.
Ekero tugutigaraga bo ase sekta y'ekisemi buna enchere yemo yogosira amasomo imeye kaunti ya Kisii omugavana we kaunti y'omusike Paul Simbarati nikabereka guchakia omurobelyo obukwenana wechifomu wechibasari gochia ase aborokiwa omurobelyo yo nigukageri guchaka alitukolia ankyo chitariki 12 ase abaibuli bonsi gose aborokiwa baganeriwe kuya chifomu icho na guchichulia elio banyareka babagukonyeka.
Tiangireli bageri abene gutakira abantu baitu bonse no mugabano Kisii umwaka omuyumya Naboigo gutangasa koenanwa chiform chejibasari asa abana baitu ba grade 11 na grade 12. Asa chi constituency chikobwatia chitariki echi na chiform chikoigwa. A constituency yabo basi ekopik chiform korwase chiward chino chitariki 12. Naboigo a constituency ya Bonchari na South Mugrango na Ilitukeli chitariki 13. Chitariki 14 na constituency ya Nyaribari Chache na Nyaribari Masaba. Tariki 15 na constituency ya Kitutu Chache South na Kitutu Chache North. Tariki 15 na constituency ya Mwachoge Chache na Mwachoge Borabu. Abanafunzi bagosoa grade y'ikumi barawe bakuganya mpaka banyolera admission numbers cyabo nakuba chiform cyabo gochibese cyabo etogo kigacha mpaka basoire chiskuru nande twarolere mbara bibatabwati besa tumaye kuba chiform echo chinga kichecho tate ntakere abanafunzi bali baite tamatem congratulation na bali mutetete moko moyo Ntune County walimo kunyara join vocational training centers ntore tayari kubakonya mugende na masomo ligontegete mugende moregeste ase vocational training cheito abali mbaroro kubeka tole byombo byobosoma mbiyamono nyasaba seseni osomwa koyo moya keratogende te kubakolere gasi na mwatu chikire.
Togo tigana nayo enyagitari ya Mwai Kibaki nigo irachigwetenenera na nigo irachikoba level 6 ayu na mangana y'umuraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto ayu abakagukwana alitukulia lero kurwa ase kanisa ya ASCK Othaya imeye county ya Nyeri. Muraibwense nigo abakagukwana yu ekiraikirana ase litukulio gosasima imeye county yu ya Nyeri. Nonye nabo nigo abagakwerera emiroberio au eyo serikali ya ikiraniri nabo igo eyo serikali ya bekirensemo eriko ene kibuna ngo chigosirere chisemi imeyense ya Kenya.
Tumetengeneza board na tumegazette Mwai Kibaki as an independent hospital level 6 na nimeappoint generali pale aweze kutusaidia kusimamia, and I can confidently tell you now, apart from all the other things that we are doing, tumeweka equipment vile mmesikia, alafu hawa nilikutana na board ya pale Mwai Kibaki na tukakubaliana ya kwamba tujenge jengo ingine kwa heshima ya kiongozi wetu rais wa 3, tuweze kujenga hiyo jengo ili iweze kusaidia wananchi vile mmesikia Wainaina akituambia hapa mbunge wetu. Jukumu yangu tukijenga kwa ile msingi wale wengine walinitangulia walifanya ni kuhakikisha kwamba wale watoto wote wako shuleni, kuna madarasa ya kutosha, kuna walimu wa kutosha na kuna pesa ya kutosha ya kuwafundisha. Hiyo ndio kazi nimekuwa nikishughulika nayo, na ndio napenda kuwatangazia ya kwamba kwa miaka 3 vile mlinipatia nafasi, ile CBC ilikuwa inatusumbua. Wazazi walikuwa wanalalamika ati wanafanyishwa kazi usiku, wanaambiwa jenga hii, tengeneza gari, fanya nini. Hiyo CBC sasa tumenyorosha, iko sawa sawa. Jambo la pili, tumetengeneza madarasa na hawa wabunge. Tumejenga madarasa mpya 23,000. Pia nikawaeleza ya kwamba tutahakikisha kwamba kuna walimu wa kutosha. Ndio ile kazi rais wa kwanza, wa pili, wa 3, wa 4 walifanya isiwe ni kazi ambayo inaregea. Leo mimi nataka niwatangazie ya kwamba kwa miaka 3 tumeajiri walimu wapya 1,100. Wiki hii peke yake, this week, tumeajiri walimu 24,000 na kuanzia wiki ijayo watakuwa shuleni kufundisha watoto wetu. Na vile vile tumehakikisha kwamba pesa ya kusomesha watoto wetu inafika shuleni kabla watoto hawajafika shuleni. Wiki iliyopita kabla ya watoto wetu kwenda shuleni tulitoa pesa bilioni 44 kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wa primary, watoto wa secondary.
Umuwaziri omunene umuske Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi nigo aberiga kuraga ebiara bali bonsi bagendrete gusiriria omuroberi gwe serikali ya Kenya Kwanza yogokora ense ya Kenya agochikoba egati yechinse chiri chiabeire chigwetenenera nigatebire buna serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo ebwate miroberio yogokinia ense ya Kenya na nigo aberiga kubulia abakenya bonsi kugendera kubika omulembe.
The people who are criticizing today about the vision of Singapore actually existed even at that time. It's about 30 years ago. They chased away the Singaporeans and they said, we don't want this. Here we are again, over 30 years later, still saying you don't want to work and benchmark with better standards. I am glad in this room I am addressing a community that has a different alternative, that is talking about Vision 100, a vision beyond Singapore.
Why some leaders have a problem with President Ruto is because of legacy issues. Because in 3 years, he has set a legacy transformation projects in our country. In 3 years, as of last night, 29 million Kenyans have registered with the Social Health Authority.
Abarai bali bakwamiriria serikali nigo baganiri ekiombe kyobochori ne chimbebe IEBC Kenyare ko bage kurigirirwa asobwime na boigo boya eriko ene kibuna ase omwaka obwechiri bubere na 2025 chikura kirachigokorekana asomwaka oyu chirigochi goturubaniwa aya niga gocha magega yabarayabo kororekana kurutirana amangana ase chinsemo au anene ase emitandao.
Marjan cannot hawezi kusimamia uchaguzi ujao asiyo because atakuwa amebakisha sijui 1 year up to next year. So the best thing he commission imuunde apatiwe whatever balance yake atoke because he is the problem. We cannot have free and fair election with a person called Marjan who is already renewed mathematics and renew kila kitu.
Unless we clean up IEBC before the next general election, we will not have a free and fair election. Unless huyo Marjan atolewe, the CEO, na ile timu yake kutoka Venezuela wanaitwa Smartmatics, we will not have a free and fair election. So hayo ndio baadhi ya mambo we want to say. We will not relent until what is right is done.
State machinery kupeana pesa kwa vijana, tunasema vijana wetu wachukue hizo pesa. It is not enough to start an industry, but it is something we all support. Remember Uhuru Kenyatta had kazi mitaani na vitu kama hivyo, lakini musije mkababaishwa na mambo kama hayo.
Pige na risasi tupige hiyo kiburi yako, chuma yako iko motoni. Sisi tulikufanya rais ndio tutakupeleka nyumbani. Formula ya kufanya wewe rais was more difficult. Kukutoa ni rahisi. Unajua kujenga nyumba unajenga mwaka 3. Kubomoa one day. Ukija na bulldozer ni siku moja. It is easier to destroy than to build.
And that is why they are going to resort to violence. And today we want to demand institutions that have been tasked to provide security, to deal with goons, to deal with violence. Why are you not acting? Tangu Malava, Mbere, Chwele, not a single arrest has been made. Aipoa kazi yenu ni nini?
Umurai w'ikiama gia ODM Senator Daktari Oburu Odinga nigo aganiri abali bonsi bagenderete gukemerera ekirugu kia Yamate gwecokia alimuriuka gukwana kurwa county ya Siaya nigo Oburu abeire kagoteba buna nerebieka oisaine kura ekiamekyo na nigo arachi koirurukia ebendera ya ODM anene asobochorio bonene obubole bosyo aya nigachire amatuko make magega ayo kongusanana koenekiwa egati yabarai bekiamekyo.
Those who are saying that Oburu is not validly elected, I challenge them. If they say it is NDC, let us go with them to NDC. I will call it very soon. 2026 is the year of negotiations for any arrangement. Either we are going in partnership with the UDA or any other, or we are going alone as ODM. And if we are going alone as ODM, Oburu Oginga is the presidential candidate.
The matter of ODM party leadership was settled at the National Governing Council, acting on behalf of National Delegates Conference. It cannot be that unless you are the one leading, nothing can happen. Who are you?
We are reaching a point where an NDC must be called. We need leaders who are elected in a transparent way. And in that, as you can clearly see, Babu Owino is overqualified to be a party leader of ODM.
Mwanchumu ligeria wikira buno toko ya butolera maya yechinsa ikomicha bono magoroba tuwakirimbia muno asengencho kogendera kuligeria Agetembe TV genda gutwara obategereri borubuya elio gendere kwemanya mange na bwigo kwegokeria emiroberio ao asa mangana ndali mutu yechinsa ibere chinsa inye no gendere konyora mange buna agochigwateka amonere Aaron Otutu twagwateranire nere DJ Hudson elikoana kinga eliogi ne bicha bya gwikiribya na bwigo kurwa sensemo yebimanyererio nigo twabere nere Wilson Makori ncheni gonkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto.